In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive international payments in Wise from Fiverr and Upwork. First, let's begin by setting up Wise properly. Open the Wise app or go to the Wise website, then either create an account or log in if you already have one. If your account is new, make sure you complete the identity verification process. This step is important because Wise may limit certain features until your profile is fully verified. Once you're inside your account, add the currency you want to receive. For many freelancers, that will be US dollars or USD. After adding that balance, select the option to get account details. Wise may ask for a few additional requirements before those details are available, so just follow the prompts on screen. When everything is ready, copy the account details provided for that currency, such as the account number and routing number for USD. You'll need those details in the next part. Now let's move to Upwork. Log into your Upwork account, then go to Settings and open Get Paid. From there, open Payment Details and choose Add Method. If this option is available in your location, select Direct to US Bank in USD. Then enter your Wise USD account details exactly as shown in Wise. Double check everything before confirming because even a small mistake can delay your payments. After that, confirm and add the account. In some cases, Upwork may send small verification deposits to your Wise account. If that happens, wait for those deposits to appear and complete the verification process. Once the account is verified, your Upwork withdrawals can be sent directly to Wise. A useful tip here is to receive your Upwork earnings in USD whenever possible and then convert the money inside Wise instead of letting Upwork handle the currency conversion. Now, about Fiverr, it's important to be accurate here. Wise is not currently listed as a direct Fiverr payout method unless your Fiverr account specifically shows that option. Fiverr's withdrawal methods can vary depending on your location, so the best thing to do is check your earnings page and review the payout options available to your accounts. Finally, once an eligible payment reaches Wise, open the app and go to the relevant currency balance. Check the incoming payment, then decide whether you want to keep the funds in that currency or convert them to another supported currency. If available for your account and region, you can also send the money from Wise to your own bank account. Depending on the type of transfer, some receiving methods may be free, while others, such as certain wire or SWIFT payments, may involve fees.